Hello students, KCET 2024 second round seat allotment procedure has already started. So let us see some important details regarding this. Okay, so first you have to go to the KEA official website, then you can go to the admission sections, then go to UGCET 2024. Then after you click on this, you can see that UGCET or UG NEET 2024 second post allotment procedure. Okay, so this is very important. Instructions have been given for both the medical and engineering courses. So let us check the details. So first of all, the first point here is, okay, let me little bit zoom it. Okay, so for medical, dental, Ayush, UG NEET 2024 second round post allotment procedure. So after you have been allotted in the second allotment post in the second round, any seat is allotted to you, what will be the procedure after that? Okay, so the first point here says that there will be no choice to exercise to the candidates. So if you are allotted any seat, you will not have any choice there. Okay, candidates who have allotted seat in any discipline are required to pay the prescribed fees and should compulsorily report to the allotted college. Okay, so if you have been allotted any seat, you do not have any choice there. You have to pay the prescribed fees and have to report to the college. And if any candidate fails to report to the college after allotment of seats in the second round, legal actions will be initiated against such candidates in accordance with the law. So yes, if after being allotted any seat and you are not reporting to the college, in that case you will be entitled to any legal action. Okay. Next, candidates who have not got any medical seat can participate in the medical mop-up round as per the instructions. So those students who have been not allotted any seat can participate in the medical mop-up round. Okay, and then next is candidates who may get dental seat. Okay, if you have been allotted any dental seat, then you can participate in the medical mop-up round, but not for dental mop-up again. Okay, so like suppose you have got a seat in dental and then you cannot participate in the dental mop-up for a better dental college or dental course. Okay, you can participate in the medical mop-up round. Similarly, the students who have got Ayush seat can participate in the medical mop-up, but not for the Ayush mop-up again. Okay, so if a candidate has been allotted any seat in the Ayush courses, then they can go for medical mop-up, but they cannot sit for Ayush mop-up again. Okay, that is what instructions for medical students. After second round, you have to join the college by paying the fees. Okay. Now coming to for the candidates who have been for engineering, architecture, farm science, veterinary, yoga, naturopathy, BSc, B Pharma, Pharma D courses. Okay. Okay. Now those candidates who will be allotted any seat in the second round will have 4 choices, right? We know all the 4 choices: choice 1, choice 2, choice 3 and choice 4. So all the 4 choices will be there. Okay, then coming to the detailed instructions here. Okay, so now you can see, okay, after completion of first round of seat allotment, all the unfilled, surrendered, forfeited, cancelled, newly added seats, if any, will be offered in the second round. So those students who have cancelled any seat or forfeited, or they have not filled any choices, so all the unfilled choices, whatever seats are left, that will be included in the second round. Okay, now options entered by the candidate during the first round will be displayed on the portal based on the choice selected in the first round. So the options entered, whatever choices you have taken in the first round, based on that your options will be visible. Now candidates can prioritize their options, that is modify, delete, alter or reorder. Second round allotment will be conducted based on the final option submitted by the candidate. So whatever final options you make, based on that the seats will be allotted to you. Okay. Now coming to here, next important things. 1 second, yes. Here you can see that candidates are advised to modify, reorder the options they want to select, whether the seat shown in the seat matrix or not, only for the reason that consequential vacancies may arise during the allotment process, and the candidates will have a chance of getting a better seat if they have entered the options. So it is advised that all the students should make their option entry better, so that if any vacancies is there, they can get a better seat. Okay. Now coming to some special instructions for those students who have selected choice 2 in the first round, those students who have selected choice 2, for them some additional important instructions are there. So the choice 2 candidates are participating by holding a seat allotted in the first round. If any seat is allotted to them in this round, that is in the second round, then their first round gets added to the seat matrix immediately and is offered to the next eligible candidate in the order of merit and priority of options. So yes, now suppose you have selected choice 2 in the first round, so whichever options you have got, and in the second round you have been allotted a better college, the college that you got in the second round will be immediately cancelled and will be given to some other eligible candidate, okay, and you will be given to the new seat, okay, new course. Now while modifying the order, so what you have to keep in mind, while modifying the order of options or deleting the options, okay, adding new options in case of any new college or course is added, candidates are advised to give only such options that are better than his or her allotted seat. If the modified or added options get allotted, they lose their old seat. If none of these are available, then the candidate's earlier seat is retained. Okay, so all of you might be clear with this. So please make sure that whatever options are there before the allotted options, these are all better options. Once it is allotted to you, the college that was allotted to you now will be removed. Okay, so that is why be very sure that whatever options you are adding before this, suppose you have got 10th number option, so 1 to 9 whatever options you have been added, that is all better than the options that is in the 10th. Okay, now now one more thing here, one second. Yeah, for choice 2 candidates, the seat allotted in the first round will be considered as the last option. Okay, the choice 2 candidate should be very careful while submitting the options. One should understand that the seat allotted in the first round will become the last option. It means all the higher options saved by the candidates will be treated as the options for the seat allotment. Now suppose you have filled 1 to 15 options, okay, you have filled 15th options and 10th option is allotted to you, then 11th to 15 options will be deleted and 1 to 9 options will be available for you to make changes. So you make sure that these 9 options are better than your 10th option. Okay, so if any option is there which is not better than 10th option, then just remove that option, you delete that option. Okay, now one more thing here, all the higher order options will be displayed for entry of options if any candidate is intending to retain the same seat which is allotted in the first round. Now suppose the 10th option is allotted to you and you want that particular course and college, you are very sure that you want to join that. In that case what you can do, then he or she has to delete all such options which is displayed on the option entry portal. Then the seat allotted in the first round will be retained in this round also. So you can delete all other options apart from the seat, apart from the college that is allotted to you. In that case, whatever seat is allotted to you in the first round will also be allotted to you in the second round. For that what you have to do, you have to delete all other options. Okay, now coming next, okay, now so there are some also additional instructions for students who have selected choice 3. So let us see that. First of all, choice 3 candidates are participating without holding a seat allotted in the first round. If any seat is allotted to them in this round, that is in second round, then such seat will be confirmed in their favor, or if no seat is allotted to them, then they will not be having any seat in their favor, right? This is very clear. If you have selected choice 3, if you get any seat in the round 2, then that will be there for you. If you are not getting any seat, then you will have 0 seat with you because you have selected choice 3 in round 1. Okay. Now coming to all the options will be displayed except the allotted options for modifying or deleting the options. Okay, here there is a difference. Suppose you have selected you have given 1 to 15 choices and the 10th option is allotted to you. Then in this round option entry what will happen, except this 10th option, all other option 1 to 9 and from 11 to 15 will be shown to you for modification. But in second round what happens, the last options get deleted. Okay, the options below the allotted college gets deleted. That does not happen in round in choice 3. Here only this option will not be available, 10th one. Other all options will be available for you to make the option entry. Okay, next while modifying the order, okay, one second. Yeah, while modifying the order of options or deleting the options, candidates are advised to give only such options that are better than his or her allotted seat for those option candidates are willing to join in the case seat is allotted. So make sure that you add only, like you give only those options where you are genuinely interested to go and join. Okay, because if you are not if you are giving any seat which is not in which you are not interested and then you are allotted that seat, then that will be a worst case for you, right? You are not interested but you have been allotted a seat. So make sure that whatever options you are attending, whatever options you are giving, that are those that are better than the allotted college and course and you are willing to join there. Okay, please make sure of these 2 points. Fine. So yes, that was about this important instructions regarding your second round for both medical and architecture and engineering courses. Okay. So if you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe the channel for more updates.